नमस्कार दोस्तों, या फिर से सफेद हिंदू लड़के हैं. But today I got a delivery from Amazon. So let's have a look. There it is. Doesn't look like much now, so let's get it open. Oh. There's strong glue on here. I'll say this for you, Amazon. When you package something up, you don't want it to come out. Wow. Okay. What have we got? What have we got? I'm struggling. Okay. Motherboard, chopping board. What motherboard? Well now, if it isn't an issue 3 USA ZX81. So, let's have a look at it. Doesn't want to come out. We're going to have to open both ends. Here it comes. Bit of gravity. So, oh, we have the bubble wrap to get into somehow as well. I don't want to make it easy. I mean, I just bought it with my own money. Why would I want to access it? Oh, to be fair, I am glad with the bubble wrap. I would have been mortified if it had arrived broken. These protective corners, they're pretty good. I think I'll keep those. I may find a use for those. I'll be keeping the bubble wrap as well. I take it to my house in Ireland and it all helps with the insulation. So that's recycled. Oh, here we are. Yes, it's good thick glass. It's got these, well, I think there's some sort of silicone. There's 4 of these clear feet. So, let's have a look. There's the modulator. And of course, earphone, microphone, power socket, power regulator, and the ULA is a 1982 week 14. Oh, look. Zilog Z80A. 1982 week 20 edition. 2K of memory. In the UK, obviously, it was a 1K machine. Keyboard connector. And here's the bit I find really funny. They're happy to copy this. They're happy to copy this. They're happy to copy this. And when it comes to the ROM chip, they've overwrote it as microcomputer. Well, this is a lovely example of a USA issue 3 ZX81 PCB. Now, I will not be using this for chopping vegetables or anything of the kind. What I might do, obviously I'm just going to keep it because it's gorgeous and I love it. But what I might do, I might have a use for this while I'm doing my upgrades on my ZX81. It's a good sturdy work surface. If a blob of solder landed on it, that's not going to do it any harm. Obviously, I'm not going to try soldering directly on it. I'm not going to try chopping things on it. So I want to keep it nice, but it may be a good work surface anyway. So, that was my surprise for you today. I bought this from Amazon with next day delivery. It was £9. I couldn't resist. Okay, that's all for now. Danyavad, I love you, bye-bye.